This Mother's Day, give mom a gift that shows her that she's the very best. Amy Latta joins us with two DIY gift ideas this morning in Good and Crafty. Amy, good to see you this morning. How you doing?
Doing well and excited for Mother's Day. Happy early Mother's Day to you.
Right back at ya. Okay, show us the adorable strawberry that you're making today.
Sure. So, I can never resist a good pun. So, what I did was I decided to create the very best mom strawberry. And this guy is just based off of one of my doodles. And I created a free pattern that you can download on my website so that you know how to cut the felt. But all we're going to do is take felt and we're just going to cut out two red berry pieces. And then you're also going to cut the green topper and stem. And I like to do two little pink cheeks as well. So all we're going to do is once you've got all your pieces cut with the pattern, you're going to hand stitch around the sides and the bottom of the berry pieces to hold them together and leave an opening at the top so that we can stuff it. Then we're going to fill it with polyfill, and you can stuff it as much or as little as you want. And then sew that top opening shut so that you have the stuffed strawberry. Then we're just going to add the stem and the topper. We're going to hand stitch those in place. And then I like to add a face to make it really cheerful and cute. So I just hot glued some craft eyes on. You can use any kind. You could use Google eyes, whatever you have. And then I sewed on the little cheeks and I just did a little embroidery stitch to create the smile.
It is super cute. That is so super cute. I love it. You also have a berry basket gift box.
I do. So there's a million ways that you could actually gift this, but I thought it would be really cute if you made your own little berry basket. So to do this, I just used chipboard, which is like a really heavy cardstock, and I cut out a 6-inch square, and then I cut an 1.5-inch square out of each corner, which is going to leave you with this plus sign. And then all you're going to do is just fold in toward the center, those four sides, and that's going to give you the base of your basket. And if you want to write on there, now's the time to do that. So I wrote Very Best Mom. And then we're going to take some scrapbook paper, and it could be any color or pattern. I chose like a little pink polka dot. And you're going to cut a long strip. You might have to cut two strips and put them together, but it's going to be 3/4 of an inch wide. And then we're going to fold it in half. And what we do is we apply adhesive inside of this folded strip. And then we take our box and we're just going to slide this down over top and just kind of bend it at the corners, and see how we're letting the folded part be at the top. And we're just going to go around all four sides until we get back to where we started, and then we just overlap it, and that's what holds our basket together. So you can do this size. The 6-inch square makes a perfect size for our little berry. Or if you want to make a bigger box, this one is done with a 7 3/4 inches square and 2-inch squares cut out of the corners. So you can make a bigger box, and you can make lots of little berries to go inside of it. And then the other thing I did was on the pattern that you print out for the strawberry, I also have a printable tag that says about being the very best mom. So you could, if you don't want to make the box, you can just print out the tag and attach that, or you can do both. But that way you have a really fun and easy way that you can gift the whole thing to mom, and she gets to appreciate the punniness of it too.
I appreciate your punniness, so thank you. And that is really
I
cute.
know you do.
It really brightens. I mean, it's the spring season, so having like berries, it just is a lot of fun and really brightens everything up. So you're going to have more ideas later in the show. Remind us about your website.
It's amylattacreations.com, and that's where you can find the free pattern just to download and get started on your berries.
Very good. Happy Mother's Day.
You too.